To create your first course, select the Create a New Course button and give your course a title. It's a good idea, but not mandatory, to add your course to a category. This function can be used to group your learning content into various categories so that you can more easily manage your resources. For example, you might decide to categorize your course by class or subject area. In the Course Builder view, you can add a course overview, a list of learning outcomes from your syllabus or curriculum, if required, and an optional image or video. This information will be viewable by your students when they first access your lesson content, so use the Course Overview screen as an opportunity to let your students know what they are going to learn about and why. When you are done making changes, select Save. To begin populating your course with content, click the Add New Module button to reveal a drop-down menu. Using this menu, you can create new course content from scratch, including e-coach learning pathways or quizzes, collectively referred to as modules. You can also add existing modules to your course using the Duplicate Existing Module option. Add content by selecting the Learning Pathway option from the drop-down menu, and then add a descriptive title. You will then be redirected to the Learning Pathway editor. To save time, we've also included a handy tool to help you duplicate existing courses, learning pathways, and quizzes. The Duplicate Existing Content button allows you to quickly create a working copy of an existing module so that you can freely edit or make changes to it without modifying your original content. The Mirror option allows you to include a master copy of any existing module, learning pathway, or quiz in your courses. With the Mirror option, any changes you make will be mirrored across all courses where the module is included. From the Courses view, you can also delete any modules that you have created by selecting the Delete option. Note that this action will also remove the learning pathway content from any courses you may have already shared. When you have finished building your course, you can easily share it using the Share button. After generating a shareable link, you can copy it to the clipboard and email to your students, or add it to your Google Classroom, LMS, or Learning Portal. There is no limit on the number of times you can share your learning content using shortened URLs, and there are no restrictions on how you choose to share your learning content. You may have noticed that when you create a shareable link, it is automatically assigned an expiry date of 90 days. By including an automatic expiry date on shareable course links, it will help prevent misuse of the content that you have spent valuable time and effort creating. Note that you can easily renew the expiry date on any of your links by using the Activate toggle from the Generate Share Link screen. Shared links can also be deactivated or revoked entirely by selecting the trash can. You can also create private share links, which are automatically assigned a class code. Selecting this option means that anyone trying to access your content will need to enter the code password to access your course. Note that you can also share your learning pathways and quizzes separately using the Quick Share button on each module. A handy time saver for last-minute lesson planning. To preview your course, simply click on the share link you've just created. Your course will load in a new tab and will appear as it would to your students, allowing you to review your learning content before sharing.